Hello student, in this video we will learn how to convert infix expression to prefix expression. We have given an infix expression 5 plus 3 into 5 by 2 plus 4 into 3. First step is add an open bracket at the start of the infix expression and then reverse the given infix expression. So first operand will be 3, then multiplication, then 4, then plus, then 2, division, 5 star 3 plus 5 and open bracket. Similar to infix to postfix conversion, we have to make a table of 5 columns. First is for serial number, second is for input symbol, third for stack, fourth for prefix expression and fifth for operation performed. Initially we have to push a closing bracket into the stack. Then we scan input expression from left to right. First input symbol is 3, which is an operand. When an operand comes, we have to add it into prefix expression. Then second input symbol is star, that means multiplication. We have to compare precedence of multiplication with the closing bracket, as closing bracket inside the stack has lesser precedence than multiplication, so multiplication can be pushed over closing bracket. We have to push star into the stack, so we have performed push operation. Next input symbol is 4, which is an operand. We have to add it into prefix expression, but here you have to remember that you have to add it before the 3, because here we are performing prefix conversion. So we have to add operands or operators from right to left. In postfix expression we are adding operands and operators from left to right, but here you have to add from right to left. So 4 comes before 3. Now next input symbol is plus. We have to compare the precedence order of multiplication and plus, as plus has lower precedence than multiplication, so it cannot be pushed over multiplication. First we have to pop multiplication from the stack and add it into prefix expression before 4. That means we have performed pop operation. Now we have to compare plus and closing bracket, as all operators have higher precedence than closing bracket, so we push plus over closing bracket. Next input symbol is 2, which is an operand. We have to add it into prefix expression before multiplication. Next input symbol is division. We have to compare division with plus, as plus is the top operator of the stack, as division has higher precedence than plus, so we can push division over plus. So we push division into the stack. So we have performed push operation. Now next input symbol is 5, which is an operand. We have to add it into prefix expression before 2. Next input symbol is multiplication. We have to compare multiplication with division, as both have same precedence, so we can push star over division. So we have performed push operation. Remember that in postfix expression, if both the operators, input symbol operator and top operator of the stack, have equal precedence, then we cannot perform push operation. First we have to pop the division, then we push the star into the stack. But here in infix to prefix conversion, same precedence operator can be pushed over same precedence operator of the stack. Remember this thing. In prefix we have pushed star, but if it was infix to postfix, then first we have to pop the divide, then we can push star into the stack. Mark this difference. Input symbol is 3. 3 is operand, so we have to add it into the prefix expression before 5. Next input symbol is plus, so we have to compare plus with multiplication, as plus has lower precedence than multiplication. So first we have to pop multiplication from the stack and add into the prefix expression before 3. Then we compare plus with division. As division has higher precedence than plus, so this plus cannot be pushed over this division. First we have to pop this division from the stack and add it into the prefix expression before star. Now stack contains this plus and input symbol is also plus, both have same precedence, so we can push same precedence operator over each other in stack in infix to prefix conversion. So plus is pushed over plus, but in postfix expression we cannot push same precedence operators over each other in a stack. Next input symbol is 5, which is an operand. We have to add it into the prefix expression. Next input symbol is open bracket, so we have to pop all the operators from the stack until we get an closing bracket. So first we have to pop this plus from the stack and add it into the prefix expression. Then we pop this plus from the stack and add it into the prefix expression. Because of this open bracket, this closing bracket will be cancelled out and the stack is now empty. So this is our final prefix expression of the given infix expression. So answer is plus 5 divide multiplication 3 5 2 multiplication 4 3. In next video we will see second example of infix to prefix conversion. Thank you.